If you have an onion like this that is sprouting in your storage, that's a little bit squishy, but you can tell it's still good, take the skin off, remove the squishy, put it in your compost, feed it to your goats, do what you have to do. That means you can make sure that this doesn't go to waste. So you're eating it, you're giving some to compost or to your animals, and you're getting plants out of it. 3-in-1 deal. Then everything that's firm underneath, except for what's surrounding the immediate stem, you can use to eat. And then, depending on how many stems there are, you can separate what's left. You can root them in water and then plant them in your garden for more onions. So you can see that this was one onion before. I've separated it. There are roots on both. I will put those in water and then I will plant them outside when the time is right. Now that I've told you what to do, let me show you how to do it. So if you score just a very little bit within the skin, you can take it off layer by layer. You can set aside the layers that are not edible that you can put in your compost or give to your animals, and then you can find all of the good layers that you can cook with and eat now. Then once you get to the bottom, you're going to find that you can start to see where the plants separate, and then you can break them apart. Usually there's only going to be 1 or 2 plants. Make sure that however many there are have roots that you can then put into water before you put them in the ground. Then look also how much food that you didn't waste and can eat now.